Hey guys, where are we today?
The Revelstoke Railway Museum! Wise Creek Bridge, 1885 to 1894. Lodgers Pass, 423 feet long and 180 feet high. Canadian Pacific Railway.
This is absolutely beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, we got wood in the tender, right? So they burn wood.
And it looks like they're carrying a steel right there.
Yeah, probably for making more railway.
Yeah. This bridge is just really cool.
This is an interesting combination carve they have as a caboose there. I think it's for laying down track maybe. They have a few different styles of supports here. This is a really interesting model of an actual railway here at Rogers Pass. It looks like all the passengers get out to take a look.
Hey Dad, look at this.
This is an actual velocipede. So somebody would sit right on there and just pump this handle, and the 1, 2, 3 little railroad car would just travel down the tracks as fast as you can pump it. This is a model of the Arrowhead Timber Company. So the trains would get right off the cruise ships or load up the cargo right there. They would back right on, like that guy right there.
Come on Daddy, let's look at the train car. A bedroom.
So this would be a standard bedroom in the 1800s. Looks like you have a couple bunks. Here's a much nicer room, look at this. Looks like a single bed and a sink that doesn't move. You all know what that is. Oh, look, you got your own fan. Here's the kitchen. Nice little stove and a sink, and it has a window there. Here's the dining area. Absolutely beautiful. You can sit and eat on your car, not even leave the car. Then into a smoking room, which was all the rage back then. This is a huge tender. Look at the size of it. I can barely even contain it. It's massive. 10,000 gallons of water and 3,100 gallons of oil. Massive engine too, coming into the conductor's cab. Looks like we're playing one of our Roblox games. Look at all this awesome stuff in here. Here's a Kalamazoo handcar. Here's the plaque of the Royal Train, which was on a Royal Hudson number 2860. This is the same as Duchess. This is what the Duchess would be wearing in Thomas and Friends. My goodness. So that's the drumhead of the Royal engine, the Royal Hudson. Massive tender. I still can't get over the size of this tender. It's huge. Just a nice old rail yard with a bunch of rolling stock. Here's an old road repair car and a flatbed. I wonder if this used to be a breakdown train. Old caboose. I think this might be a breakdown train, I'm not even sure. That's how you plow snow. I love seeing these when I was a kid. This is a car that is converted so the wheels actually do go on the tracks. And you can't steer wrong on these things because your wheels are on the tracks. And here's a troublesome truck. What do you think, son?
Yeah.
If you ever see these things going down, here's the actual controls the hydraulics that will lift and lower the bottom wheels that put it onto the tracks. And the same controls on the front of the high rail. They called it high rail because it could go on both the highway and the railway. Looking at these giant snow plows, they look absolutely beautiful. You can see that the blade is forced so it will only go down one way, so it pushes all the snow off to one side. It's on both tracks there, but it will only push it off to this side. It's actually on the road. Oh, here we go. Important delivery this train's making right here. Look at this guy coming down the line. That looks like a spreader. He's just trucking on down the road, or on the railway, I should say.
Operating this caboose.
You're operating a caboose?
Yeah.
It's like you're steering a ship. Hey, look at this little train simulator, Liam.
Oh, wow. Let's do pull into field.
Okay, so that's the brake. Set throttle to idle. So where's the throttle? Throttle's over there.
Yeah.
Throttle down. Got it. Oh, you're looking through here. Oh, I see. And there's the television, so it tells you where you're going. So they videotape the actual running, and now Liam is operating the train. Hit the horn. Awesome. There's your horn, yeah. Oh, and you have a bell too?
Yeah.
Hey, who's driving this crazy train?
Me. And I'm persistent.
What's
No.
Josie doing?
Out of here, people. I'm busy. I'm a very busy woman.
Are you just hitting the horn? You're just laying on the horn. Now who's driving this crazy cuckoo train?
Josie. Let me.
Are you having fun, Jose?
Hey, this is Glacier House. It's a world-class hotel on the railway.
It's a beautiful model. There's the railway right there.
We've been on a boat like this.
We have been on a boat like this, and the railway actually owned these boats. They're big paddle wheels.
Look at that train up there.
Here's a garden railway size trail. This is huge. And a model of the Stony Creek Bridge with a diesel over it now. These bridges are massive that they built out here. We found a rotary snowplow. This looks just like Dustin from the Railway series. My goodness. Unbelievable, they had an actual rotary. This is how it would work. Unbelievable, they have a picture here. And of course, the train shop gift shop would be incomplete without a ton of Thomas and Friends stuff.